Hello guys, welcome back to Install It Right. In previous video, we have installed Postman on Windows. If you haven't watched the video yet, click on the I button above. In this video, I will show you quick API demo using get, post, put and delete request in Postman using DummyJSON API. Now, you might be wondering, what is DummyJSON? DummyJSON is a free fake REST API and it is perfect for learning and testing APIs. So, without any delay, let's get started. To access the DummyJSON API, open your web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Search for DummyJSON API and click enter. The first link is the official website. Click on it. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Now click on the read docs. This is the official document that explains how to use different APIs endpoint and perform various operations. On the right hand side, you will see a wide range of available endpoints like product, card, user, post and many more. For this demo, we will use product API endpoint. Click on the products. This is the products endpoint. Copy the endpoint. Now let's move to Postman. Minimize the browser. I have created the shortcut on my desktop. You can also open Postman from Start menu. This is the Postman interface where we will perform get, post, put and delete operations. First, let's start with get method. Select the get from the method dropdown. Paste the URL that we copied and at the end add /1 because there is a large amount of data and we only want the first product. Now click on send. As you can see, the status code is 200. That means get method is executed successfully. Get requests are used to fetch data from APIs. This is the data that we have received from the product API. Now let's change the method to post. Paste the URL that we have copied earlier and at the end add /add. Now navigate to the body, select the file type as raw and select the data type as JSON. Add the following data to the JSON file. The JSON format only accepts data in key value pair format. Once the data is entered, click on send and wait for a moment. The request is being sent. As you can see, we have received the status code as 201 created and this is the data that we have inserted. Post requests are used to create new data. Now let's select the put method. Paste the URL that we have copied earlier and at the end add /1. Now navigate to the body tab and select the file format as raw, data type as JSON. Here we will update the product title. Once we are done with the JSON file, click on send. As you can see, we have received the status code as 200 OK. And this is the updated title that we have entered and the updated price. Put requests are used to update existing data. Now let's select the delete method. Paste the URL that we have copied earlier and at the end add /1. Click on the send. You will receive 200 OK status code, which means the delete request was successful. Since this is dummy API, no real data is actually deleted. There is one important note for you. DummyJSON is a fake API for practice and testing. So any changes made using post, put or delete will not affect the real data. That's it from the video. You have learned how to use get, post, put and delete request in Postman using the DummyJSON API. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to Install It Right and comment below if you want a full Postman tutorial series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.